unboxing. So this is the Super Yum Box from Universal Yums Con, and yeah, the clue. Let me see. It says the land of. What does that say?
Smiles.
Smiles. A land of smiles. I don't know. Oh, let's open it, guys. It is
Thailand.
Thailand. What is Thailand?
So here is Thailand. Thailand is in the pink. Okay, that's the country of Thailand. So you have a map.
Don't show the food.
And then on this side, you can score each thing that you try.
And see good or bad.
And you have some facts here about Thailand.
And usually it comes with the game and the pamphlet.
There should be a pamphlet in there. Oh, Eden has it. There we go. Show the pamphlet, Eden.
The back?
So, this is the pamphlet.
Pamphlet?
Okay, and I'll read about every snack that you take out. So this tells you about the snacks.
I'm the first.
Okay, so we have some biscuits. Let's see if I can find this in our guide here.
Okay.
There's a lot of snacks in here.
I know.
Let's see, where's the biscuit? Okay, ready? Hold up the biscuit, Eden, again. We're gonna tell you about it.
It's not the biscuit, is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
All right, so this is the Bakery House Pineapple Jam Biscuits. Biscuits with pineapple jam. Okay.
Yeah. I got this.
And let's see what that is. You find it in the pan. Okay, here it is. It's the Tasto Sweet and Spicy Sweet Garlic Wheat Chips.
Alright. We have this.
So it says 3 mixed chips. Let's find that. 3 mixed chips.
3 mixed chips, guys.
Okay, here it is. Taro sticks, purple yam chips, and sweet potato chips.
My turn. I don't know which one, but I think I'm gonna do this. And I don't know what that.
Okay, let's see if I can find that one. Oh, I don't see that. Hold on, it should be here. Let me see it again.
There's writing on it.
Oh, here it is. Okay, it's the Tao Kei Noi Crispy Seaweed Larb. Dried seaweed with chicken flavor.
Ooh.
Oh, you guys love seaweed.
And chicken.
Yeah.
That was dumb.
Okay.
Yummy. Not dumb, I said yum. So we have this right here.
Okay, that one is the Tasto Salt and Sour Salty Lemon Potato Chips.
Sour!
Okay.
The thing right now. There it is, Oh, yeah. Zero Farm.
Hold on, let me find them. Hold
I
on.
know.
Zero Farm, you said?
Yes.
Hold it to the side so we can see. Okay. That is Zero Farm fried shrimp and salad cream. Seaweed wrapped potato stick with fried shrimp and mayo flavor.
Mayo.
No, it doesn't sound good?
Mayo, yeah. With shrimp. I like shrimp, but it's not mayo.
What do you have?
Just this.
Oh, we'll do that one last.
Alright. So we have this.
Okay, hold it up so we can see it.
That's
Where's the front of the package?
Right
Okay. That is, is that sticky rice?
Is that sticky rice?
It's sticky rice. Sticky rice with hold it up, Eden. Okay. Sticky rice with coconut cream and mango.
Oh. But we can't use it for sushi.
No.
Me? My turn.
Okay.
I think I'll get this one.
Okay. Let's see if I can. Okay. Sour Punk Candy Stick Blueberry. Sour blueberry gummy straws.
Gummy straws. That's yum.
Okay. Turn around the other side.
I'm gonna get the next one.
Okay.
Oh, something fell on the ground that we didn't show
Okay,
yet.
hold on a second. So this,
Oh, two things. This is easy.
pull this up. Okay. This is the Chalky Wafer Shibuya Honey Toasted Flavor Cream. Wafer cubes with honey toast flavored cream.
This is something that is gummy. This is something that is gummy. You don't even know that.
Okay, I think we're over here now.
More gummy. So this is gummy.
Okay, we'll do that one in a second. Your sister's turn. Okay, those are Tasto Devil Thai chili pepper potato chips. Okay.
We have
All right.
gummy.
Let me find the gummies. Hold on.
Gumma, 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 gumma. They look yum. I think they're...
Where is it?
It's green lemon!
Oh, here it is.
It's green lemon!
It's Heartbeat Lime Gummies, salty lime gummies.
That's it. Okay. Oh, this comes together.
Okay. Let's find those. Okay, so the blue one is Sathura Roasted Sweet Corn Coconut Roll.
Okay.
And then the other one
We have this.
is the Banana Coconut Roll.
Oh. So we have this now.
Okay. That is the Tasto Crab Curry potato chips.
Okay. And then
So that's okra, but what kind of, okay, here we go. Okra chips sesame soy sauce. Dried okra chips with soy sauce flavor.
does Ian have nothing?
Oh, she just has the last one, so you can do this.
Well, I don't have the last one. All right, so we got this coconut something.
Okay, so
Plendy coconut chips.
let me find it.
Plendy.
Oh yes, coconut chips with sea salt and caramel. Okay, and then lastly, we have our little yum pack, right? Our yum bag.
Okay, this.
So let's see what's in the yum bag.
Huh? Oh, sorry. So we have banana and pineapple. And here's the two ones. I have sour cola, and then I have the, what do you call it?
Sweet corn.
The sweet corn.
So these are the candies that were in the yum bag, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, guys. So we're gonna open. We're gonna try these and see what. We're gonna try one each to see what we think. Yeah, I mean, if you want, we can just try this. So, mine name is Z Wool Farm. It's fried shrimp. So I'm gonna try it now.
Okay.
Oopsie.
What's yours called?
Sour straws.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big stick. Whoa, it's wrapped in seaweed.
What do you think?
The seaweed is good.
What about the inside?
It looks like a purple snake, but sorry, it's not. Good. But I don't like the inside that much.
Okay. What do you think of yours? Oh, is it sour?
Yes. I don't like it actually. It's not sour for me. I'm going to try
It's not sour? Okay, why don't you switch? Ash, pass yours over for your sister to try.
I don't like it.
Oh, you don't want to try it? Okay.
Whoa, sorry I did that. It's okay. And then I'm getting another one. No, we didn't. It's so gummy. Like it. Okay, like it?
Is it sour? No. It's just sweet?
What is a sour? I just see a tingy.
Just a tiny bit? Okay.
Yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope and then smash the subscribe button. Turn on notification. Give us a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to Family Unboxing and comment down below what thing snack we got in the Yum box, and if you think you want to get it, and which one looks yummy to you. Yeah, and then it will eventually come to you. I like the straw ones. I like straw ones too. Yum, yum, yum.